What's up, crypto people? If you're new here, I'm Kevin Crates and we talk crypto. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at Solana and Arweave. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum's price action and talk about what is going on in the market today. Solana sets new all-time highs above $200 and continues to pump. Even though Bitcoin is looking rough, we're going to cover that in a moment. Bitcoin's price action in that chart is looking rough. We're going to look at that in detail in a moment, but Solana looking very bullish. Another one we talked about every day recently because of that El Salvador news, Algorand having a great pump today, trading above $2, up over 50%. But another one we have to touch on, again, that we've talked about every day recently, Arweave. I'm still very bullish on Arweave. I feel we haven't seen Arweave make that big move just yet. I am very bullish on Arweave. I've been saying that on Twitter. We've talked about that in the recent videos. I've added more into the 40s. I added more in the low 50s. And if Bitcoin does another dip, I will be adding more Arweave. I am very bullish on Arweave. Arweave stores all of Solana's blockchain data. And again, guys, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Make sure to do your own research, but I'm very bullish on Arweave long term. Arweave stores all of Solana's blockchain data. To do so costs AR token. I'm very bullish on Solana long term. I'm going to be very bullish on Arweave long term. If there are any massive pullbacks with Arweave, because Arweave does seem to be dropping with Bitcoin a little bit more aggressively than Solana does, I will definitely be adding to my Arweave position. I really do feel there's a lot of potential with Arweave. All right, let's take a quick look at some charts because Bitcoin is still looking rough, guys. If we turn our notes on from before, 48,000 was that mark we wanted to see Bitcoin hit. Not only did it not challenge it, now 46.7 is resistance. There are some signals that Bitcoin could push up in price from here, but if it gets rejected at 46.7, we might see Bitcoin push back down to that 44,000 range, and that is not what we want to see. We do not want to see Bitcoin approach that Kumo cloud. Bitcoin does look like it has room to pump from here, so a retest of 46.7 is possible, and a push to 48,000 or 48.9 would give us some bullish confidence. But if Bitcoin gets rejected at 46.7, a drop to 44,000 is a possibility, and we really do not want to see Bitcoin enter that Kumo cloud. And if we take a quick look at Ethereum's chart, I mean, Ethereum's still looking much more bullish than Bitcoin. Just has to get back above 3550. Ethereum's back in bullish territory, could potentially carry Bitcoin and the rest of the market with it. Ethereum has been looking much stronger than Bitcoin for quite some time now, and Ethereum, even on this crash, is still looking more bullish than Bitcoin. Ethereum just does look stronger than Bitcoin in every way recently, and if Ethereum can get back into bullish territory, it may be able to pull Bitcoin and the market's price action back up with it, whereas Bitcoin is even looking weak while I'm filming this. We may not even get that retest of 46.7. That 44,000 is still a possibility, but I do feel Bitcoin does have some potential to pump from here and at the very least retest 46.7, but Bitcoin is looking weak, whereas Ethereum continues to look strong, and the price target we need to see Ethereum trading above to give us some bullish confidence is around 35.50. Solana continues to pump. I don't have much to say about Solana other than the fact I'm expecting Solana's price action to push much higher than here. I'm very bullish on Solana long term. There'll definitely be pullbacks along the way, but you can see here, completely unfazed by Bitcoin's dip, pushing down to around that 128, 129 mark for a moment before flying back up right into bullish territory and setting new all-time highs. Solana is probably one of the most bullish things in the market right now, and I'm expecting Solana's price action to push much higher from here. All right, let's talk about Arweave because I'm very bullish on Arweave. Arweave stores all of Solana's blockchain data, and I feel as Solana continues to pump, we should see Arweave continue to pump as well. Arweave does seem to get affected by Bitcoin's price action more than Solana, so the price targets I'm keeping an eye on around $54 to $50 for Arweave. Possible dip to that 46. If I move that moving average here, somewhere around that $48 range is a possibility as well, but I wouldn't expect Arweave to dip too much lower than that. 42 is a possibility, but it would have to be a pretty big dip for Bitcoin, and in that situation, might want to wait for lower prices. But the price targets that I'll be keeping an eye on for Arweave are anywhere from $54 to $50, and on the lower range, $48. All right, crypto people, that's all I got to say today. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, drop a comment. I appreciate you. I'm out.